Unlocking the phrase, viewing. Hello dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, viewing. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in different contexts. Let's get started. Viewing is derived from the word, view. At its core, it refers to the act of seeing or looking at something. Just like when you're viewing a painting in a museum, you're actively looking at and processing the artwork. 1. Television and movies. I have a movie viewing at 7 p.m. Here, it refers to the act of watching a specific film or show. 2. Real estate. I've arranged a viewing for that house on Saturday. In this context, it means visiting a property with the intention to survey or potentially purchase or rent it. 3. Events. The public viewing will be held at the city park. This implies that there's an event or spectacle, like fireworks or a parade, that people can come and watch. 1. Viewing angle. Refers to the angle from which something is seen, often used in the context of screens and displays. 2. Viewing party. A gathering of people to watch a specific television show, movie, or event together. 3. Viewing distance. The distance from which something is or can be seen clearly. And there we have it. The term, viewing, can be applied in various contexts, from TV shows to house inspections. We hope this video clarified its meaning and usage for you. Remember, English is filled with phrases that can be applied in different scenarios, and understanding them can make your communication smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and happy viewing in whatever context you choose to use it.